will change.
All right.
Or I will die trying.
It is.
You don't judge a person by where they stand in times of comfort and convenience. You judge them by where they stand in times of challenge.
Don't mind that. Just gonna go ahead and see what we have on the docket today. Trump speaks at 3:30. We have unemployment claims at 7:30, and that was a bullish outcome. Oh, that was bearish. That was bullish. That was bullish. That was bullish. That was bullish. Before it was bullish, bearish. Cool. All right. I already went ahead and marked out all my key levels. What I did not do was a whole daily breakdown, and we are fucking moving. NASDAQ is the stronger pair right now. Honestly, if we disrespect this gap right here, if we disrespect this gap and disrespect this 1 hour fair value gap, we're going to be looking for some sells. You know, that's a little bit too premature. That's too premature. That's too premature. That's too premature. It's premature, but there's a lot of confluences. Not a lot of confluences. There's just a lot of confidence right now, but we don't have a liquidity sweep to the upside or the downside just of yet. So we shall wait. Until then, we will play music. I've noticed that my volume levels have been a little bit fucky. We're gonna fix that. We are going to fix that. I'm going to make sure that when I am talking, I have the mic on and music off, so that way everybody is able to hear one another. I don't know what I want to listen to.
Lady, pick it up, it's me calling. Let me show them all about the
10%, my ass.
Homie, give it up if you ballin'. Homie, give it up for your set. Hey, little mama with that tight dress on, I got a small proposition for you.
Hello?
You look kinda sexy, got it going on. Here's what I want you to do.
I want you to do.
Come a little closer, let me see that thong. Let me slide this number to you. You can catch me in them streets with my.
Good to see my controls are not working. Maybe they are. Alright, so we just had the Nazi blow through London's low, where ES couldn't even bother to do so. We have that low right here. That's still moving. Let's see. This is a positive SMT. We're still waiting though because we're still in that manipulation stage. I want price to try to see if it takes out this low down here. Unless this is the whole fucking move that I'm waiting for. If that be the case, then damn. And you know what? It might be a possibility because we are needing to go ahead and balance out the price to the downside. Alright, so do we have a breaker structure to the downside? Yes. Breaker structure. We don't see it come back in. Is there a fair value gap to be had? No. But price is just fucking moving. Tapped in. Came down, came up, tap in, came back down. I want to see a inverse fair value gap happen. If we disrespect that fair value gap, then I'm going short. And I'm going down to these levels.
Lady, pick it up, it's me calling. Let me show 'em all about the West. Homie, give it up if you ballin'. Homie, give it up for your
Can we just reset the fucking chart back to how it originally was, please?
I got a small proposition for you. You look kinda sexy, got it going on. Here's what I want you to do.
Here's what I want you to do.
Come a little closer, let me see that thong. Let me slide this number to you. You can catch me in them streets with my blue khakis on, in my Chuck Taylor, smoking blunts with my crew.
Gangsta walk.
Hey, hey.
Are you there? Yeah, I'm here. No, you didn't wake me up. Don't worry, I was up. I'm really sleepy though. I was up all night, thanks to you. Yeah, I miss you so much.
It's 6 in the morning, we still going strong, and we ran out of weed at about 2.
Oh, no.
Must be the music, got these gangsters gone.
Must be the music.
I'm trying to lay the smoke down on you. Homie, give it up if you ballin'. Homie, give it up for your set. Lady, pick it up, it's me calling. Let me show 'em all about the West. Hey, hey.
What the fuck?
At pianan du même goito. Amieran in ai hermo. Eu cât como upan su de tu. Aqui venzer mem strehu.
All right, so I need a better entry for this. They want $1,000 for that entry. How about no? How about you go ahead and suck my balls, Mr. Garrison? That's fucking crazy. Where little mama looking at me on. Oh my gosh. No. Hey, little mama. Don't you dare leave without me. Don't you dare leave without me. Bro, like, what the actual fuck? Why is it so much to get in? That's a shitty ass fucking risk to reward. Throw me off there. Did I do it again? What the fuck? Oh my god, I can't. I'm just fucking tweaking out here. Fucking messing up my sell order. Was that the reason why it was so much? No, it's still too much. I'm not going in for $1,000. I'd wait. I'll wait until it gets down to here. Unless it just wants to go ahead and take off without me, then, you know, by all means, do you, boo-boo. What did New York do? A whole lot of fucking nothing. A whole lot of fucking nothing. I might be able to get in with a 5-minute. That might be a little better. Because this shit is just biting me right now. Still nothing. That's worse. There, I just got to be patient with the 50K account because there's really nothing much that I can possibly do right now besides watch this trade play out without me. I mean, it's playing perfectly fine, but I wish I was a part of that fucking move. I'm not gonna lie. I have not had my coffee yet. I'm a little tweaky. I'm very, very much into it right now, so. Take profit. Right now, what I'm trying to do is just figure out where I could probably take profits at. Seeing as we had a reverse, oh my god, this fucking earbud. Seeing as we had the push down and nothing but a push down. We're looking to see a reversal right after some of these levels get hit. Which ones? God only knows, but we just patiently have to wait. This might be one of those levels that do get hit. Yeah, I'm just gonna want to take out all these lows. Alright, so we just wait. We'll jam out and wait.
Have you ever been in that situation where you just like, you just wanna take it off? Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success.
Hoping this 5-minute retrace doesn't take me out.
Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success.
If I could go ahead and get a retrace up to these highs, I'll go ahead and take that short down to these lows.
Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Impress. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Success. Take it off. Slow, steady, undress. Take your motherfucking clothes off.
Oh my god, I did it again! What the fuck? I want a sell position, not a buy position. Come on now.
They don't know things you do to me.
Why is it so much to get in?
Things you do to me, but they don't know things you do to me.
I really don't want to put shit so fucking tight. But I have to. I have to put this shit so fucking tight because
things you do to me.
I really just have to be patient with this. I don't want to rush into this fucking trade and then have market possibly reverse off of these levels. I don't want to do that. I know price wants these fucking lows. It's inevitable that price wants these lows, but how far down is it gonna go? We have all this right here that needs to get priced out, and it's actively getting priced out right now. I might just wait until the reversal. I might just wait until the reversal. I mean, we're looking good. We're looking good on this. This was a good entry. But just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient.
The devil's trying his hardest to keep me mad. It's not happening, motherfucker.
Relax your mind.
Relax my eyes, I see flashing lights, I'm not alone. Are you alright on the other side? I can feel you close. I feel alive, yeah, the drums get high and the bass down low. Open your mind, we can dance all night, don't wanna go.
We might start reversing off of this level, so I might want to start paying attention to taking profits right here. We might. The only reason why I'm saying that is because we're starting to slope. We're starting to slope. After taking out this level, this level, this level. So there's just shit to pay attention to. Also, we could possibly just take a shit straight down as well. But when me personally, when I see a slope like this happen, it usually tells me that price is looking to reverse. But if we could get a break of structure to the downside on the 5 minute, we're good. Or if we respect, never mind, I was gonna say if we respect 1 hour fair 1 minute fair value gap, then we'll be all right. But our 1 minute fair value gap was right here. We respected it. We came up, boom, came down. I would like to see that happen again, but I mean, we have What the fuck is that? It won't even it won't even let me draw it out. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. All right, so we got a 1 minute fair value gap right here. We'll see what happens. Like I said, we could either come back, we could come up, come straight down and respect it. Or the other option is we come up, come down, and then come up again to disrespect this 1 minute fair value gap to tell us that price is looking to change direction in the near future. That's just one way of showing that it can change direction in the near future. But if, like I said, if it does what it's doing now and respects it and goes down, we're good. And seeing how everything is lining up, the 5 minute is bearish, 30 minute bearish as fuck, hour bearish as fuck, day, of course, it's the most important, bearish as fuck, 4 hour bearish as fuck. So we have all these different timelines giving us really good confidence to say that price is still looking to go down. What's going to change that outcome is a 5 minute retrace, a 5 minute break of structure to the upside, or we take out another low. I mean, the taking out the lows option comes first, of course, because we're actively seeking out price to the downside. But this is what I want. Ultimately, this is what I want to say. At the end of the day, though, the thought at the back of my head lies with, we have hit so many key levels to the downside that a imminent reversal is underway. Like it's bound to happen sometime soon. It's just a matter of paying attention to these candles and letting the candles tell us when it's going to change. You did see me go ahead and take profit from here all the way down to this. I believe this is an hourly fair value gap. Yeah. Price is going to want to actively seek out this fair value gap right here just to fill it and tag out the 4 hour low at the bottom, or unless, yeah, tag out the 4 hour low at the bottom, hopefully. But just in case price doesn't want to actively seek out the 4 hour low at the bottom, it's going to want to actively seek out this fair value gap. So I just take profits to the end of it. I probably should be smart enough to keep it right here at the top, because when price comes into a fair value gap, it's going to hit the top first. If it's coming straight down, it's going to hit the top of the fair value gap first. So if you're looking to take profits at a inverse fair value gap or a fair value gap, me personally, I will always go ahead and put my take profits at the top of the fair value gap or the bottom of the fair value gap. If I have a lot of confidence in the trade, I will put it at the bottom, like I do with this. Like I have confidence to say that this trade will play out the way that I want it to play out, so I'm gonna leave it at the bottom. If I have full confidence like I do now, I'm leaving it at the bottom. If price is weak and doesn't really have that much volume to the downside, I'm leaving it at the top just because it's gonna hit first. This is not gonna hit first. Now, if the other option to this is, if price does come down, seek out this low down, this fair value gap, but want to only fill halfway, I will take profits halfway and let it go. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward. Today was a very textbook day. This was fucking needed. This was fucking needed because yesterday's price action, God, man, I stayed on here for a whole hour in the morning. It was like an hour and 30 minutes in the morning just waiting for price to do its thing. Now, there was a little bit of like trade action happening, but not enough volume in the market for me to be confident enough to say, let's go. Not like today. Like today, you seen me get into this motherfucker, and that's because all my confluences added up. All of them. And on top of that, the fucking daily and the 4 hour are all showing me that price is looking to go down. So that right there is screaming. Market is screaming at me. Get in, but be patient. I might not take a trade. I want to take a trade. Ugh. All my levels have already been hit down here. We have this 4 hour right here that we are actively seeking out right now. But if there isn't a positive, if there isn't like a better risk for me to get in, I'm not getting in. I'm not jumping into this fucking trade for over $1,000. You got me fucked up. Market, you got me all the way fucked up. You can go ahead and move about the way that you want to move about. Go on, but I'm not. Like, look at this. This is what they want right now. And if it does, so if for some reason does give me a good entry, then I'm going in. They want $3,000 for an entry. You must be fucking retarded. Must be fucking retarded. I would be fucking retarded to jump into a trade knowing the risk like that. I'd rather just cool off, let this shit do what it gotta do, and let me be cool. You see how it hit the top and then it started to bubble out? Now, if the 5-minute candle showed me a green candle going up, I would have killed this trade. But the 5-minute candle is a very, very good indication that this motherfucker's going down. 15-minute, good. See, on this broker priced out this candlestick as green. This broker priced out this candlestick as a red. That would have been my entry. Honestly, that would have been my entry. Here down to, what is this? 582. Oh, it's actively down here, 582. So then where's the top of it? 664. I'll look for this to be a trade. If I could get a green candlestick here, I'll take price. I'll take TPLA down here. That's assuming this motherfucker wants to respect. Because like I said, price would like to come into the fair value gap, tap halfway in, and then possibly want to go back up. What happened? We got a green candlestick on the 5-minute. I might actually want to kill this bitch. I'm not gonna cap. I'm not gonna cap. I might want to kill this bitch. I mean, we're still looking okay. It's enough volume in the market for me to have a little bit of confidence in this trade still. We see another 1-minute fair value gap that could be respected. That could actually be a level to go off of. If I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. Sorry for sniffling so bad, my ears are popping. I'm going to see what it does off of this fair value gap. If we respect this fair value gap, this high would be my entry. That right there is just a tad bit better of an entry. But again, I want to see price respect this fair value gap. I don't want to see it come up and then create an inverse fair value gap. I don't want to see that shit. Oh. We ultimately gotta wait on this 5-minute candle. Don't do that. Don't do that. Keep your ass down there. Come on. Don't swivel on me. I mean... I'm just hoping the 15-minute candle doesn't start acting the way the 5-minute candle's acting right now. It's even fucking worse. Yeah, I probably should just hold off on taking another trade right now. I might want to start thinking about taking profits off of this. This huge ass candlestick to the downside is only indicating that price are taken out on the 15-minute time frame. 30 minutes showing the exact same thing. What are we at? 47? If we could push just a little bit lower, then good. I'll kill this trade. And then I'll start looking for buys on the S&P. This also could just be a 5-minute retrace. In that case, which would be a good thing in my behalf, because then if we could come back up just partly up to these highs, then I can take my shorts all the way down to here and then have price fill the fair value gap. Or price could just want to botch about right now and then decide on what it wants to do based off of a break of structure. And that's literally all that it is. It's just a break of structure. There's no fair value gap to go off of. Good thing I didn't go for that fucking short, huh? Oh shit, this is why we're patient. This is why we're patient. That would have been a $2,000. Oh no, that would have been $1,000 loss. Like if I was looking for shorts, honestly speaking, if I was really looking for shorts on the other account, looking for a short up here where I got into this trade would have been better. If I would have just taken the risk, it would have been better, but you know, it's not something that I'm looking to really want to do at the moment. I'm risking almost $2,000 to make 1,000. That's not a good entry. Although price is going down, that's not a good entry. And on top of that, I'm not even looking to make $1,000 on the move. I only need just about $250 to $300 on the move to complete this trade on the 50K. Good thing we held on this one. I'm telling you, if I would have just you know, and there's always something to look at in hindsight. There's always something, but to be grateful for the knowledge that you do have and the gains that you do have today, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. We could watch this shit hit TP together. Or it could just fly back up to the upside. If that be the case, big ol' fuck you. But I really do think that this shit's gonna hit my TP. I know this is gonna hit my TP. That's just not a fucking question in mind that it's going to. Now the 15 and the 5 are acting up. Look at that. Yeah, we're bound to have a reversal. We're bound to have a reversal. It is imminent. It is imminent. Hit this fucking trade, bitch. Stop playing with my emotions and hit that TP. Give me my money. Give me my money. I'll kill your shit right now. I will fucking kill it right now. It's only acting this way because of 15-minute fucking candlestick. I'm gonna have to wait until the 15-minute candlestick closes to get my take profits. Whatever. We'll wait the 12 minutes. You know what? I don't even want to fucking wait the 12 minutes. I just want to pull out. What was it? Just $11? That's literally all that this is. It's just $11. Am I really that thirsty for like $10? Am I really that fucking thirsty for $10? Crazy. I'm not thirsty. I am not that thirsty. We'll close out here. Now watch price go ahead and just hit my TP. Watch it. But I'm not fucking around with it because it could just come back up here and then take its time coming back down here. Even more so because the 15-minute candle itself, it's acting up. But I'm not willing to risk losing out on all that money that's being taken out right now, or would have been taken out. That's a little $64 on the day. That's not bad. That's actually right on par with the amount of money that I need for the consistency rule. So that's actually great that I didn't go for the full $70. Hell, we could just be selling off all fucking day. Very good possibility for it. Yeah, that trade was just beautiful. That was just a beautiful trade. Textbook by all means. Now, there's two things that could happen in this fair value gap. We could disrespect it all the way through, come down to these 4-hour lows, and then possibly see a reversal to the upside. Or, seeing as we just took out all those levels that I just deleted, and now wanting to see a push to the upside. But with this looking how it's looking right now, this is where we might want to be. Like, yeah, that looks good, but this looks even better today. We have to clear this fair value gap on the day, or we already did. Scratch that. We still got to take out this 4-hour low. It doesn't have to happen in this session, but it's bound to happen eventually. So with this 4-hour low here, and the fair value gap actively being cleaned through, I'm positive to say that we're, with my own bias being what it is, I'm positive to say that we're either going to stay within this fair value gap and disrespect it, or we're coming down to the 4-hour lows, tapping it, and then taking off. But it'd make more sense for market movers to want to do it from here, just because we've already taken out, again, all those significant lows to the bottom. Try saying all that 10 times fast. But as of right now, seeing where price is looking in the 4, the 1, shit, hell, we'll even drop to the 30. It's showing that we're still bearish. Once I start seeing a 1 and a 4 show me a reversal to the upside, both time frames need to show me that their candlesticks are all in line for me to want to jump in for long. Hell, I might even just continue looking for this short. There's that 1 minute fair value gap that's going to be disrespected. See what happens there. We could come up and then come back down to disrespect, or if we're looking for a change in order flow, finally, we're going to go ahead and disrespect this 1 hour, 1 minute, to then push over to the 5 minute time frame to look for a break of structure or a inverse fair value gap to be had, to tell us that there is a positive change in order flow. And would you look at that? We disrespected the 1 minute. Now let's see if we disrespect the 5.
Relax my eyes, I see flashing lights, I'm not alone. Are you alright on the other side? I can feel you close. I feel alive, hear the drums get high, and the bass down low. Open your mind, it's all night, I don't wanna go.
Oh, it's over with? Crazy. That was a good song. Look at that. We're actively disrespecting the 1 minute fair value gap. Well, respecting. Sorry. We are respecting the 1 hour, 1 minute fair value gap as we speak, but that is all premature. We're going to have to wait for the 5 minute candlestick to close in 8 seconds. Let's see what the 15 is. Okay, so scratch the 5 minute candlestick theory. We need to go ahead and wait for the 15 minute candlestick to go ahead and change up to show us what's going to actually happen. The 30 is still looking bearish, the 1 is still looking bearish, the 4 is still looking bearish, the day is still, of course, looking bearish. So my theory is, if the 15 minute candlestick can just get back in line, the 5 minute candlestick would also get back in line itself, and everything would be peachy keen. But normally when the 5 minute and the 15 minute start acting up, it acts as a chain reaction for the next candlesticks that I have mentioned. So this is the theory. If the 5 minute starts acting up and has a lot of volume in the market, the 15 minute will start to act up as well. And if there's a lot of volume still in the market, it will go ahead and bleed over to the 1 hour. Then we have to wait for the 1 hour. If there's a lot of volume in the market, the 1 hour can possibly bleed over to the 4 hour, and we would have to wait until all that gets back in line with the daily bias, which is bearish. Which, with that being said, that means that within itself could be the reversal. That's not saying that it will be, that's saying it could be. like the main thing that I'm looking for when it comes to a when I'm looking for when it comes to that situation, what I'm looking for entirely is the 15, the 5, the 15, and the 1. If those start acting up in tandem, I already know the 4 hour is going to start getting affected. So that means me personally, back the fuck off, let market go ahead and breathe, let market play around with itself. And then once when it gets done busting a nut everywhere on its walls, you come back into the room and you situate yourself back in front of that motherfucker and say, "Can we go again?" That's all. That's it. But we're gonna see whether or not the 5 does come back in line with the 15, so on and so forth. We got 2 more minutes left on this candlestick to show what's up. I was gonna go ahead and bleed over into another tangent, but I'll hold off on that. Anyways.
When the drum beats go like
We're actively respecting this 1 minute fair value gap to push down further. Price doesn't even want to come back up to this 5 minute fair value gap here to test it out. It's already saying, I know what I want, I'm gonna go get it.
when the drum beats go like needle on the record when the drum beats go like put the needle on the record when the drum beats go like give me a motherfucking break beat.
If we respect this 1 hour fair value gap, I'll start to see if I can start to look for trades to this 4 hour. If that's the 4 hour. Yeah. If we respect that 1 hour, if we respect that 1 hour fair value gap, I'll start looking for shorts to the bottom. But it has to be, these fucking shorts have to be, the price has to match, the risk has to match the reward. The risk can't be a fucking $1,000. The risk can't be $500. Like if I could get an entry for somewhere with like 400, I'll be fucking satisfied. I will be fucking satisfied with that. I'll jump in really quick if it's a good entry and go about my fucking way. But we'll see what happens. We will see if we respect the 1 hour fair value gap and bust out of it. Give me a good reaction. On top of that, show me a confluence like the 79 extension. Seeing as we're already, I love the 79. This is the only time I like using the 79 extension. It's the hit rate with this is pretty good, but there's a lot of misses still. Regardless, nothing is going to be 100%, right? So my theory is with the 79 extension, and that's why I fucking love it. If we already moved and have market established where prices wanting to go, and we've already taken out prior lows or prior highs, I myself will come in, look for a positive area to use the 79 extension, a positive area being a 1 hour fair value gap that's looking to be disrespected or respected. After that, I'm getting the 79 extension out. I'm drawing from the top. If I remember this right, we're going from the top down to the bottom. So the nearest, the last high is what we're going to tag right now to the bottom, and this is going to be the last low. This tells me that we have already tapped into the 79 extension right there. We tapped into the 79 extension. I would usually go in for a short after we've hit the 79 extension, or I would have to wait for price to go ahead and give me a better entry, like a green candlestick pushing farther up to these highs and then using these highs to go further down, some shit like that. Or if I'm really feeling risky and I'm really feeling confident in the trade, I will keep the sell stop really tight and then carry it down. But the last few times I've done that, and that's even in back testing, I've fucked myself. So I've tried to stay clear away from keeping my price or keeping my entry so tight. Some people are like, well, that's the whole fucking point when it comes to funded accounts. I know, but my strategy doesn't account for tight stop losses like that. Okay, let me stop. It does. I myself am not comfortable with the risk that is established. Now I can change the risk when it comes to like my order ticket, but I'm not necessarily knowledgeable of how to do that just yet. Like, I've dabbled in, of course, you see me enter into this trade with the amount of, like, you're able to see me go in with a risk here. I've practiced my trading skills on this, so I've gotten very, very, very comfortable and very used to how to set trades. I've learned that there's a way that I could go in with my risk, and there's a way that I could go in with my leverage. I started off with leverage. I would go on like three lots, 3.5 lots for, actually no, this is NQ. NQ was 1.5. Yeah, it would usually have been 1.5. But, well, anyways, you get the purpose. The risk would have usually been 1.5. I gathered up a lot of money doing that at first, and then I switched over to risk and then built up the account even more, but then of course got emotional and kind of lost it all. But now that I'm here with a better understanding, I choose to take my trades the way that you just seen me take my trade, what, like 30 minutes ago? So as long as I have a good bias, as long as I have a good understanding to my strategy and how to execute my strategy, I'm not too worried about the ticks and the pips that come along with placing your trade. Yes, that does hold a very big factor on how your trade plays out. I would have taken profit already. That would have been $70 right there. Sorry, I just noticed that. I lost my train of thought because I wanted to bring that up. Anyways, y'all get the point though. Y'all get the point. I was ranting anyways. I was fucking ranting. You guys get the fucking point. If I was more comfortable with getting into that trade earlier, that would have been fine. Everything would have played out. I would have got out with like $250 to $300, and that would have been it. But oh, I was talking about it doesn't matter about your pips, it doesn't matter about your ticks. It just as long as you know how to execute your strategy, as long as you know how to be patient, as long as you know how to be disciplined. Ticks and pips don't necessarily matter. You would just have to go ahead. You would have to learn and know how to mitigate your trade and execute it the proper way to have it all play out. That's how I ultimately got my account up to where it is. And now I lost money just because of my own fuck ups and not sticking to my rules. But once I do stick to my rules, like today and yesterday, I protect my capital or I gain capital. Very easy. I do apologize for what you guys are about to see. You're not going to be able to go ahead and see me actually place out this trade, but you'll be able to go ahead and see my reaction. My trade locker wasn't loading on my phone, so I had to go ahead and switch over to my trade locker on my desktop. So trade locker at this time was on the left, and then trading view was on my right. I am at this time. I'm just sorry. I'm sorry. But at least you guys are able to go ahead and see my reaction instead of just seeing everything play out. But I'll explain everything once everything is done. At this point, you guys will just be able to, like I said, see my reaction, see how composed I am, although I am losing so much money. And then you guys will be able to see the end result. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Lately I can't get no rest. No, I didn't give you my best. Tried my hardest to forget, still ain't over you yet. Do you ever wonder about me when it's late at night and you're lonely? I've been thinking about your body, and I remember when you were mine. Hope you're happier, hope you're happy now. Truly, hope you're happier, hope you're happy now. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. Like that, I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. Don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you feel like that, I will love you forever. If you only believe in me, yeah. Don't back, back, back. 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 Don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. Don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. Don't you think like that, I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you feel like that, I will love you forever. If you only believe in me, yeah. Don't back, back, back. Don't back, back, back. Don't.
I need to be able to get up and profit. I need to get out of this drawdown. It's just this 15 fucking minute candlestick right now, dude. There's no way that you don't want to go further up. I understand that you are bearish for the day. We got fucking 3 minutes left on this hourly candle too. I don't think we're gonna be going up anytime soon. We're battling it out for fucking control. And I kept moving my stop loss, which is something that I shouldn't be doing. But I didn't want to get taken out of this fucking trade. I should have been taken out a long fucking time ago. Come on. Come on. You're just wanting to go down, huh? Yeah, I can't lose any more money. I can't lose any more money. Fuck. Now watch it fucking reverse. Oh, I want a revenge trade so bad. Oh, I want a revenge trade so fucking bad. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh, fuck, you gotta be kidding me. If this goes in the fucking way that I thought it was gonna go... Fucking bitched out, man. Fucking bitched out like a pussy. Here I am, fucking bitching about it now. This is... Let this be a fucking lesson to everybody that's watching. Have faith in your trade. Have faith in which way the market is gonna go. Trading with this broker tabs is not possible. If you want to continue trading in this tab, please log out. Huh? Now can I? Okay. Yeah, we get the entries. Okay, cool. Cool. So we entered here. We came back down. My stop had to have been right here on the 1 minute. And then we took ourselves out here, like I said, and then price just automatically went up. But like I was saying, I know where price wants to go ultimately. Price wants to hit these highs. Or if anything, complete this fair value gap to further on down. We already went ahead and made great profit. We made an additional $50 just on accident. That was on accident. I was fucking around with my keybinds on on the computer, and I found out how to automatically enter into a buy position. Alt, Shift, and S for trading view to enter into a position for long, apparently. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm done for the day. We were originally at 500. We were originally at 500 starting at the day. We then lost this trade, which brought us into like 49,750. Then won this $1,000 trade, which will bring us into a positive day. Good across both accounts, but I need to do better with my resolve. I gotta do a lot better with my resolve. Damn, that dropped me down negative $254 with that trade. That's disgusting. That explains why. That explains why I only received a what was it? $800. All right. I can't even see yet. I can't even see how much I actually got pulled out of, but I'll update it. I'll update it when it gets finalized. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Hopefully this was entertainment. hopefully. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Damn, for real? I got 10 losses, 7 wins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, no, this is not even a red day. This is a green day. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So I have 6 winning days. 3. Man, fuck out of here with your whack ass fucking fuck your data. That doesn't seem right. There. 4 wins, 2 losses. Bam. Actually 5 wins, 2 losses. That's crazy. Overall, I've lost $395 on this account. I've taken 17 trades. That's crazy. I mean, 10-7 and I'm still profitable. I mean, I wouldn't say profitable. That's not even profitable. That's not even profitable. I mean, I'm still positive on the account, but the way I stand right now with this data, not profitable. I mean, I would like to see my shit actually refresh fast enough, but it just doesn't. Well, I appreciate you guys. We'll do this shit tomorrow. We'll see. We'll see what we can pull out of our ass tomorrow. Until then, see you guys.